Are you ready to perform day 2 of your 14-day body transformation challenge? Today's workout will help you improve fat burning, muscle strength, and body stability. But remember, the most important thing is correct form. Many people make small mistakes while exercising, and those mistakes can reduce workout effectiveness. So watch carefully. Let's start with arm circles. Keep your shoulders relaxed and move your arms slowly in a smooth circular motion. If your shoulders are raised or your posture is hunched, you are putting unnecessary pressure on your shoulder muscles. Now, move to high knees. Lift your knees high while keeping your core tight. Do not just move your legs. Engage your core and stay balanced. High knees are excellent for increasing heart rate and burning calories faster. Next is reverse lunges. Step one leg backward and keep your spine straight. Make sure your front knee does not collapse inward. Proper lunge form helps activate your glutes and thigh muscles effectively. Now side plank, keep your body in one straight line. If your hips drop down, your core muscles will not work properly. A strong side plank improves body stability and core strength. Next is donkey kicks. Lift your leg upward slowly while keeping your lower back straight. Do not curve your spine. This exercise mainly targets your glute muscles. Now, Russian twists. Rotate your torso slowly while keeping your spine straight. Engage your abdominal muscles with every twist. Finally, leg raises. Lift your legs slowly without arching your lower back. Keep your core tight and controlled. Finish your workout with a deep cool-down stretch. Great job! You completed day 2 of your transformation challenge. Try to perform at least 10 perfect repetitions of each exercise. Consistency is the real key to transformation. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep moving forward in your fitness journey.